It's that time of year. The winetext.com wines of the year are right around the corner. This is kind of our biggest moment of the year. This is where we give you guys our biggest, our best finds. We taste thousands of wines from around the world every single year. And to come up with a small selection of what we feel are the very best takes a ton of time. And we're really excited about this year's offers that start very soon. So think about all the gifts you got to give this holiday, whether it's for clients or staff or loved ones or friends or family, maybe even gifts for yourself. Think about special occasions coming up in 2023, your own wine cellar, different things you want to buy wine for. These are the dates to really pay attention for in December, because we feel these 6 offers are going to really deliver what winetext.com is all about. Incredible deals, big scores, wines you can't really find anywhere else or maybe just in a couple of spots. Just really incredible deals. So here's what to expect. It all starts off the week of December 5th. We're going to offer 2 wines that week, one on Monday the 5th, one on Friday the 9th. These are our value deals of the year. 1 white wine, 1 red wine. They'll be under $20 a bottle and really deliver for that under $20 a bottle. $40, $50, $60 quality. Ultimately, our 2 best finds of the year under $20. The following week, Monday the 12th, we're going to offer our premium champagne of the year. So anybody here getting ready for New Year's, something really special to celebrate. And again, not just New Year's, but think about next year, think about anniversaries, think about engagements, think about graduations, think about all these different times where champagne is really going to come into play. December 12th, Monday, will be our premium champagne of the year. Then Wednesday the 14th is our biggest day. This is our wine of the year. This encompasses everything we look for. It'll be our biggest offer of the year. We've worked hard to try and have as much quantity as we can, but I have a feeling it's going to sell pretty quickly. Make sure you mark that date on your calendar. Again, it's Wednesday, December 14th. That's our wine of the year. And on Friday the 16th, just 2 days later, will be our champagne of the year. Those 2 dates, make sure you circle. And for collectors, Monday, December 19th will be our premium wine of the year. So I know that's a lot to take in. If you look below or click the link above, or however they're going to promote this video, you'll see full details on all those dates, some more information, some more descriptions about the wines. But all in all, if you're on WineText, mark your calendars. If you're not on WineText, get on WineText right now. Tell your friends, tell anyone else who's not on the service. This is a huge December, and we're super excited to share these deals with all of you.